Parrots are intelligent and social birds that primarily inhabit tropical and subtropical regions around the world. They are known for their vibrant plumage, which can include colors such as green, red, blue, and yellow, depending on the species. One of their most notable characteristics is their ability to imitate human sounds and words, thanks to their advanced vocal abilities. Parrots also have strong beaks and feet with prehensile toes, ideal for climbing and manipulating objects. Their diet consists of fruits, seeds, nuts, and flowers. These birds often form close bonds with their companions and display cooperative behaviors. Sadly, many species face threats such as habitat loss and illegal trade. Parrots are a symbol of biodiversity and connection with nature.